Hey guys, Sam here. Welcome back. Today we are going to be doing some foil stamping nail art. If you would like to see how I got this foil outline around my nails, then just keep on watching. Starting off today, I am using my new favorite go-to combo using static base coat from Cuticula and topped off with her new ridge filling base coat called Silk. All of that information will be down below, but then I am going in with Fruity Pebbles latex, which smells amazing, to protect my nail. I'll be stamping with All About Love 01 from Lena Nail Art, and I will also be using the Nicole Diary stamping polish that I love to be placing these hearts right down on my nail. The stamper will also be linked down below. Next up is this amazing polish. This is Moyra's foil stamping polish, which Lantern and Wren has an order coming to her shop right now. I'm so excited. And you stamp it just like you would any regular polish. What makes this so special, if that's how you want to call it, is that it takes a long time to dry, which gives you plenty of play time to stamp it down on your nail, get it where you want it, and then grab your foil. The only catch is that it has to be smooth foil. I will put the foil video in the top right hand corner that goes over the different backings of foil and what will work and what won't work. So check that out if you want to. But place down that smooth foil onto your nail, smooth it out, and then once you remove, voila, holographic foil stamping. Remove that latex, clean up any straggler little pieces that didn't come up with your latex. And then, as always, when you're using any sort of pigments or foil, you do need to top coat with a water-based something. I typically use Oud, so that is what you are seeing right here. And then once that is dry, you are free to go in with your favorite scent of Cuticula's Timeless Top Coat. And this is the finished look. It's so classy, right? For somebody who said they weren't going to do Valentine's Day, look at me go, right? I hope you guys liked it. Let me know down in the comments your thoughts, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!